Yeah, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Check it out and see what I got deal with. It's my exclusive. First, me hear about the artist, you know. First, me hear about the artist, I check it out and see what I got deal with. Now, provide much longer. Exclusive 15 and Draco, let's get it. All weapons used in this video are props. No real firearms were used in the production of this music video. Viewer discretion is advised. Wink, wink. Sure. Props.
Artists like why?
Yeah, why do?
They don't fuck with artists of a steer tone.
Yeah.
Remember, say, we the young people, old people, are going to eat off your food.
Yeah.
Oh, Cleat, you hear that? Anybody, you know, from around put few when you're going to business, then could have all are young. Be like that. That's some communities, you know, man. One thing more. Hey, go on, show. Go on, show.
Artists like why?
Yeah, why do?
They don't fuck with artists of a steer tone.
Yeah.
Remember, say, we the young people, old people, are going to eat off your food.
Yeah. Cheer.
Nyam your food like darkness. Hey.
Off your blood,
Cheers. Cheer.
I don't want to call name.
Gun them a sailing pan water like duck, one talk, like skirt every rifle lift up. 15 bus we sound loud like chuck, couple killer we a march with the guana to muck. Lift the
Rifle a bomb me coming like oh, hey.
buckled rifle and press 7.62 bore up your vest. Any boy think them bad, tell them shoot up them chest, put a foot, and anywhere them tap and sneeze. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head sick. Use the rifle and shut up boy lip talk tough, send a broom me go bust him head quick.
15 and Draco, no paper badness. I know paper badness, boy. You know hear that? Come
6-2 bore up your vest. Any boy think them bad, tell them shoot up them chest, put a foot, and anywhere them tap and sneeze. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head sick. Use the rifle and shut up boy lip talk tough, send a broom me go bust him head quick. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head mad. Anyway we bring it like said legal. Tell them no mix up it can't flex with the cereal.
Man say, you say nah bro me, we go bust him head. And when we say bro me, we not talk bro. Hey, go on show.
The trucker drive out, heat to you make it pass. Brawling, me killer no wear mask. Watch it on me and danger, this is a blast. If I know we serpy, no have story if it talk. Y'all a scream.
Man say, man put up on me in danger. Man say, me make Serpy have a career.
I run out our shoes. Boyfriend a try run and can't move. Light pan his scope are the last thing you see. You think I want made pussy? 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head sick. Use the rifle and shut up while lip talk up. Send a broom me go bust him head quick. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head mad. Anyway we bring it like said legal. Tell them no mix up, we can't flex with the cereal. Serial killer, me dog them. Boy this then we ready fi mark them. 2 rental, every tongue full of gas. 415 and every clip full of shot.
Listen, Mag, you go in, brother. Straight, Mag. Yeah, man, no, we not send you to hospital if you go see no doctor. You get no treatment and no Mag. Straight from the street to the fridge. Come on.
Fuck everything I make we march. Claim said them tough, them only talk. Cripple now make no walk. Like ghost rider we head burn off. Gone. Nobody can see we like rolling calf. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness.
Yeah, see like rolling calf around here, brother. Come on.
No one we head sick. Use the rifle and shut up boy lip talk tough, send a broom me go bust him head quick. 15 and Draco badness and no paper badness, so no know we head mad. Anyway we bring it like said legal. Tell them no mix up it can't flex with the cereal. Yeah man, murder most, you know.
Don't mix up your cornflakes with the cereal. Don't make that go over your head, youth.
Mostly murder. Yo, automatic.
Don't make that go over your head,
man.
you. Don't mix up the conceal with the serial killer, boy. Easy.
One bad DJ, you know. One exclusive. Yeah man, fully bro, me believe.
Reban will shoot you now, boy.
Pull up, we live. Come on. Yeah, man, me like the one exclusive. Dog bad, man. Have we reacted to the Xklusive before? Have I gotten requests to react to him before? Me not sure, but I think I have, gang. I think I have. Either we can request to react to him or we have actually react to him already. Hold on the gang. Hold on the gang. We get some more people. See me and say, wait, just a second. Just a second.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.